Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for the Class 10 SSC board. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus and exam pattern. Develop a consistent study schedule, allocating specific time slots for physics, chemistry, and biology. Prioritize understanding core concepts over rote memorization. Regularly revise key formulas and diagrams. Aim to solve a minimum of 10 previous year's question papers to understand question types and time management. This foundational approach will build a strong base for success. To master science concepts, break down large topics into smaller, digestible sections. Utilize visual aids like flowcharts, diagrams, and mind maps to understand complex processes and relationships. Don't hesitate to ask questions in class. Active participation clarifies doubts immediately. After each lesson, review your notes within 24 hours to solidify the information in your memory. Consistent revision and active recall are crucial for long-term retention and application. Practice is paramount for excelling in science. Ensure you solve every exercise and question from your textbook. For physics and chemistry, consistent practice of numerical problems is essential to build problem-solving skills. When studying theory, write down your answers to reinforce learning and improve your writing speed. Regularly assess your progress to identify weak areas, then dedicate extra study time to those specific topics. This targeted approach will significantly boost your confidence. As exams approach, create concise revision notes or flashcards for quick review of important formulas, definitions, and diagrams. Conduct full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment and improve your speed. Focus on high-weightage chapters and topics that frequently appear in exams. Remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including balanced nutrition and adequate sleep, to ensure peak performance on exam day. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.